So here we have the Redline FR jacket. This is a flame retardant cotton material, lightweight, designed for stick electrode and MIG welding. Ideal for particularly when you're in hot climates. Some of the features: we have adjustable cuff, and that just makes sure you've got a nice tight fit around your wrist. We've got an inside pocket here for putting tools or chalk, and then we have electrically insulated press studs so that it's another safety feature. And that's the Redline FR welding jacket. So here we have the Redline Shadow Jacket. It has a flame retardant body to keep you cool in summer, but it has leather sleeves which gives you extended life of the jacket, particularly when you're doing heavier welding and getting spatter on your arms. It has the adjustable cuffs. It also has an inside lining with a Velcro seal and the insulated press studs, and that stops the spatter going inside. We have a high collar neck with a Velcro lock to also stop the spatter going down your neck. We have two pockets with Velcro seal, and this is our mid-range jacket. So here we have the Redline Heavy Duty Welding Jacket. It features a full leather front and leather sleeves. It has the high collar with Velcro seal to stop the spatter going down your neck. We have the flap with Velcro seal and insulated press studs to ensure you don't get spatter going down in between the joins. We have an inside pocket for your tools, and importantly, with a heavy duty jacket to help you keep you cool, is a flame retardant back. Another feature that this jacket has, which is very handy, it has a chenille lining on the shoulders, which makes it very easy to put the jacket on, and also gives you very good movement during the day.